How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to fix a leveling jack on your camper if you curb one or dig it into the dirt or something like that and bend it. Worked really easy. I actually bent two of them, so I'll explain to you how I did the other side also, but this way here really worked real well. So this thing was bent in real far. It was almost touching the pipe. You can see it's still kind of tweaked. I got to heat it with a torch and tweak it a little more, but I got it pretty much the whole way back. All I did was parked up next to a tree here, wrapped the chain around right up against the bottom of the bracket, and then at the same level with the tree, so the chain's nice and level. And then I just kept running these binders in, run them both until they're tight, and loosen one up, hook it as tight as you can get, loosen the other one up, hook it up as tight as you can get. You want to, if possible, try and keep that chain from sneaking up that tree, and just work them in one at a time, and it will pull it out. Like I said, this one here, I got to put a little bit of heat on with the torch to get it perfect, but it was bending on about a 45-degree angle, and you can see how straight it is now. So that's just an idea, keep you from taking it to the dealer. These chains are a little pricey, but most guys that have campers, a lot of guys have chains, so if you don't have one, maybe ask your friends. So the other side was bent in. We pulled up next to a tree and sucked in it. Well, this one was bent straight back, so it was kicked back like this. What we did is we took a strap, not the chain because it's gripped the rim. We took a strap, went right around, like a nylon strap. We went right around here, and then we ran the strap through the wheel here, took a torch, heated it up right there, and just sucked it right in. The strap we used was, I think these are 2-inch, maybe 2.5. Just a 2-inch trucker strap here. That's all we used there. So keep you from going to the dealer, or keep you from an expensive repair also if it's something you got laying around. Like I said, real easy set, real easy repair. We're just using a set of, I'm actually using propane, but propane or acetylene torches. These are actually cutting torches. We're using like a rosebud here, but that's what we're using there to heat them up. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Drop any comments or drop any suggestions for future videos down in the comments, and we'll do our best to help you out. Till next time, you guys stay safe out there.